I can fight monsters, I can't fight physics.
I was given this question from GCSE AQA Physics paper 2. So this looks like, if you look at the question, it looks like pressure in water. Okay, so when you think pressure in water, you think pressure is equal to rho GH. Okay, so you're given all the formulas there, so you don't have to worry yourself too much about that. But also, for some reason, if you look at it, they've given us the some dimensions of a brick. So you can also use pressure is equal to force over area. And in fact, what you're actually going to do, you're going to combine these. So you've got F over A is equal to rho GH. So let's look at the question. So diving brick sinks to the bottom of the swimming pool. When the brick from figure 14 is at the bottom of the swimming pool, the top surface, so this surface here, which clearly has an area of, now it's in centimeters, we've got to convert it to meters, so it's 0.1 times 0.25. So that would be equal to 0.025 meters squared. So it's got an area, and on that area, there's a force of 637 newtons. So if you've got a force and you've got an area, you can work out pressure because I've got this and I've got this. Now they've also in the question given us G. So I've got this, and they've told us how deep it's, or how far down it is. So they're giving us H. So all we've got to do is work out rho. Okay. So whenever you see the question, try to pull what theory it is that you need. Okay, area is probably the only place we've used area, is pressure equals force over area. As soon as you talk about swimming pools, liquids, pressure, forces in liquids, you've got to realize it's rho GH. Okay, so let's put it all here. So I've sort of wrote the formulas here. So if I put F over A is equal to rho GH, I'm just going to rearrange it. In fact, no, I'm going to put the numbers in first because that's what they like you to do. You get your marks for that first. Over 0.025 is equal to rho, which is what we're trying to work out, isn't it? Times 9.8 times 2. So 637 over 0.025 is 25,480, and that's equal to rho times, now if I do it on my calculator, 9.8 times 2.5, so that gives me 24.5. So if you want to work out rho, you got to take the 24.5 to the other side because it's multiplying, you divide. So 25,480 over 24.5. So if I do 25,480 divided by answer, so that gives me 1,040. And the units are there anyway, but always get in the habit of writing it kilograms per meters cubed. Okay, and that's about right because the density of water is roughly about 1,000, so I know I've got the right answer there. So hopefully that helps. Nice little 6 marker. Again, put your formulas down, work out what you're given, what do I need to work out, substitute, rearrange, and so on. Okay, hopefully that helps.